$500.
For the truck, I understand.
Yes, for the truck. It's all there.
This Mack truck was completely burned and left sitting for years. The body was blackened, parts damaged, and it looked like it was beyond saving. First, I cleaned off the dirt and removed the burned parts. Now the rebuild is starting step by step. Before it looked completely burned and forgotten, like it would never run again. Now it stands rebuilt, clean and strong, like the legendary truck.